ASHRAE 90.1, the standard for energy, also talks about insulation of steam and hot water pipe. For instance, this is the table that you have to follow to size the insulation thickness of steam or hot water pipe. Let's follow this table. The name of the table is minimum piping insulation. So this is the minimum requirement. If you want to surplus it, it is up to you. Thickness, heating and hot water system. If you follow the first column, the fluid operating temperature and the range has been provided, like 350 degree Fahrenheit or more, from 251 degree to 350 degree Fahrenheit. Starting from 105 degree Fahrenheit to 305 degree Fahrenheit, we got all the temperature here at the first column. The second column is about insulation thermal conductivity. For instance, the first column here we got thermal conductivity of the chosen insulation. Let's say you went to market to buy some insulation. You are going to check the specification. And this could be a specification. The insulation is between 0.25 to 0.29 BTU per inch per degree Fahrenheit per square feet to be used for the temperature ranging 141 to 200 degree Fahrenheit in pipe. Okay, and insulation thickness is in here in this portion. Let's say if your pipe size is 1 inch or less, here is your insulation thickness. And if your pipe size is 1.5 inch to below 4 inch, the insulation thickness is 2 inch. And if your pipe size is 8 inch or more, the insulation thickness is still 2 inch. So in this manner, you can find out insulation of your hot water or steam pipe. For instance, let's say, let me grab another color, red. Okay. Let's say the temperature inside the pipe is between 201 to 250 degree Fahrenheit. The insulation that you are going to consider for this particular application must have the thermal conductivity between 0.27 to 0.3. If the pipe size is below 1 inch, the insulation thickness is 2.5 inch. Up to 4 inch, the insulation thickness is actually the same. You have to provide the insulation thickness 2.5 inch. 4 inch and above pipes must be insulated with 3 inch pipes, 3 inch insulation, pardon me. For instance, let's say this is a 4 inch pipe. So the 4 inch pipe must have an insulation. The thickness is 3 inch. So 3 inch is the size of the insulation. Now, in this particular scenario, what is total diameter, including the insulation? The 4 inch is the pipe, and 3 inch is the insulation on both sides. So total is 6 plus 4 is 10 inch. Now, the idea about the insulation for the steam and hot water system is clear for you, and you also know the reference from where to get it. Thank you. Let's move on.